2, 1, go! One in the chamber. One in the chamber. There's one. All right, hit. You're out. Okay. We're all out. It's a survivor. Take as much as you can from here to about right here. You know what I mean? That's good. All right. You're in, just get out of the... This guy's still in!
Came out. I heard that, bitch.
You got it.
No.
2 left. There's 2 or 3 left. How many?
That got him, didn't it, or no?
Yeah, he's out.
2, maybe 3.
Didn't you get hit?
I don't think so. No, I heard it.
I thought I heard it.
Okay, if you guys heard it, I'm out. I play that. You got 3 more. You say you hit me, I'm out.
There's the girl.
Hey, that was multiple fire. You're out.
Yeah, if you hit more. Who did that one?
Brother versus sister right now, I think.
I think that it's just...
I drilled you.
Huh?
Right in your ass.
I knew I was going to get hit because I was just going to go for it anyway. Because I knew he was arguing with that guy.
That's fucking stupid. I could have killed him too. I shot and it was just like...
I didn't know you were going to catch me. I was like, I don't think anybody could see me. Let me get this guy a ninja step and... I would have got. I should have shot from far away. Yeah, let me see if I would have shot. I would have shot him from right there. Oh, I could have fucking easily got him. I should have done it.
My are getting all fogged up now.
Huh?
My are getting fogged up.
Oh. There's still one-on-one. Actually, 3 guys.
3 or 4.
There's Norton.
I haven't seen Mike yet. Call your hit, Craig.
You give him his position away?
I feel dirty, man, because he missed and he hit the bush in front of me. It's like, you know, yeah. It's like I can't tell you hit me, you know, because that was an easy shot. I was just standing there.
Yeah.
I don't have my eyewear on anymore. Don't shoot me, Craig. Shoot. It's okay to shoot him.
The guy's behind you.
I don't have my eyewear on.
Don't use us as cover.
I don't have my eyewear on. What are you doing? And on the plus side, he's looking at us instead of you. Or you shoot me right now, then you don't get a ride home.
You can ride in my trunk.
He goes, you can ride my trunk.
Nah, I don't have too much room.
I'm gonna fuck him up. Hey, don't worry, I'll catch you after the game, homie. 1v1. There was like 3 people surrounding me. You, Craig, and your buddy. Oh yeah. I was like, crap. Why did I pick this spot? I heard movement over there. I felt the same way when the round started. I heard movement, and I was like, I'm gonna get shot from 3 sides at once. How's your sister? I'm just fucking with you. Fuck you.
Now you don't know what to do.
He goes, hi.
That guy don't have eyewear, man.
It's amazing.
Don't mess around.
I bet Mike has eyewear on.
Yeah, but still,
I thought
he's not playing. You don't shoot that guy.
He's shooting everyone.
He don't have a gun.
He's shooting everyone. No, I get it.
Where's that girl at?
2 minutes!
Always in the back.
2 minutes!
Until party time. Rage.
What happened? No, yeah.
There's Craig up there.
Craig, you shot like 30 times at me. You already lost. Hey, Craig's on the top of the hill. Somebody go kill him. Just go. Ah, la, la, la.
Hey, ghosting is against the server rules.
Man, I need to get some snow.
There she is. I saw her.
Heck yeah. Just lay in the snow.
They're too far away though. There's no. Well, now he's. Let's see if he sees her.
He's up there. Craig! Go get Craig! He's a terrible shot. You can walk up to him and he won't hit you.
I'm getting his position.
All right, let him just in case that girl hits him.
Go! 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 Rush! God damn, you camp. I wouldn't want to play Call of Duty with you. You camper! Pew! Pew!
Let's QQ more.
Sniper!
Camping on headquarters.
You guys all hack.
Nick, let's do 1v1.
She's behind the tree. She's way out there.
I bet Mike is just hiding under a log waiting for everybody to shoot each other.
Yeah,
He was back there. And someone's right over here.
No, she's right there. It's that one, this guy, and then that other guy.
It's gonna turn out funny.
I was so afraid.